Hey guys, it's Numistacker back with you again, and I have a rather special unboxing for you today. Over the last few days, the Royal Mint have released a special sovereign, the 2025 year sovereign, the key principal coin minted by the Royal Mint. And this year there is a celebration of the 200th anniversary of the 1825 sovereign, which featured a very, very beautiful shield design by a Frenchman called Jean-Baptiste Merlin, who also created the very beautiful shield design for the 1831 sovereign. So here we have a 5-coin set. These have sold out at the Royal Mint, so if you do want one of these, you will have to buy one in the secondary market. There are only 500 of these sets, which is a significant reduction in mintage over the special Elizabeth Memorial Sovereign and other similar sets over the last couple of years. So these sets are going to be in extremely short supply. So what we have is 5 coins ranging from the large 40-gram 5 sovereign piece down to the tiny 2-gram quarter sovereign. And with the shield design, these are pretty spectacular items. The shield looks absolutely brilliant in the large coins. If you do want the 5 sovereign gold piece, it is only available in these 5 coin sets, although there is a BU finish one rather than a proof one that is available separately from the mint. And if you do want the 2 sovereign gold piece, that is only available in the 5 coin and the 4 coin set, the 4 coin set being an exclusive from the Royal Mint. So you will have to find one from the Royal Mint or in the secondary market if you want, again, the 4 coin set. For those of you who don't know sovereigns intimately, there is a Pitstruchy George and the Dragon design which appears on almost every British Royal Mint sovereign, and every now and again, although it has happened quite a few times recently, there is a special design which is varied from that particular design. This year is special because of 2 reasons. One is the 200th anniversary, and the other one is that it is the last year the Royal Mint will be producing sovereigns which have copper in them, which gives them a kind of pinky red tone. They'll be going back to gold sovereigns made with silver and gold as opposed to copper and gold next year. And this year they are also launching a George and the Dragon sovereign in very limited numbers, about 2,000 in that edition, to celebrate the last one of those editions. So here you have it, 2 fabulous coins out that 5 coin set, and with a fabulous shield design. Watch out for those to arrive on your doorstep if you've ordered one from the Mint.